What is going on, everybody? Jack Mustang here. No, this is not vlog 11, but I am actually going to tell you I have one more memorable video that I want to share, and I know a lot of people are wondering, what is it? Well, it was actually the footage I got of our refrigerator with the fan failing. The motor on the fan was failing, but I'm actually going to share one more video. Hopefully this is the last one. This is actually back in June of 2018 when our refrigerator fan motor was on its last leg. And it was actually the time where the motor was failing and then eventually got replaced. It took a long time to actually get this fan fix. It probably took about a month, I guess. I don't remember. But when I gather all the footage, I will probably, hopefully, date them, and I will date this footage. Now, about the videos I've been posting, you probably remember, the parentheses again where it has the number. Those are actually the approximate year that the videos and the YouTube videos, the footage was made, or the movies I made. And that was actually approximate year. It's not the exact year it was made, but yeah. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this segment that I put together for you guys. Enjoy the show. This refrigerator is becoming a piece of crap. I am watching that fan. That fan was always the problem. It first was stuck, and then it squeaked, and then all of a sudden the fan decides to seize up. And the refrigerator actually did get hot again. I made a video of this before. It's currently against the wall. Okay, it's not that hot now, but that fan motor. Fortunately, I got interrupted with a call just now. Sorry about that. So the fan seized up today. I came home and I heard these weird buzzing noises. I thought it was a new thing with the compressor, but sure enough it's this thing. Piece of crap fan. We need a new fan motor. I don't trust that fan motor anymore. The blade is fine, but the fan motor isn't. It's squeaking. It's always been squeaking ever since I heard it squeak. I'm in the middle of making my lunch, so thanks a lot. Finish this? No. And now this house smells like WD-40 now. Cause sprayed pretty much a lot of it. This refrigerator is gonna be stuck here for a long time. Now you probably remember the old refrigerators, they had the coils exposed. We have one probably has the same. Hopefully I'll find that interesting, but you can pretty much see, it used to be like a hole. It used to be like, you probably remember old refrigerators with the coils exposed on the back. I don't know if they designed them now these days like this because of safety hazards, but I don't know. It smells like lubricant. It smells bad. I don't like that smell. It's so strong. Fan's like buzzing too. So you can tell that. I don't know if you can hear that. Fan's buzzing. So that means the fan's probably done. The fan motor's done. Need a new motor on it. Compressor sounds good. It's another fan that leads to the freezer. Hang on. See what I mean? Don't know what that refrigerator is. I don't know what that fan's for. Squeaking. It's spinning on the camera there. It's pretty cool to see what's capable of this fridge. It's pretty cool to see the back of the refrigerator first. It's so long, this thing. You can even see got coils there. You got the evaporator fan. You got the Samsung compressor. You got the data sheet here. I can zoom in it. There. This thing's made in 2004. August of 2004. So, it's about a, let's see, 2014, 10, 2015, 10, 2016, no, 2014, 10, 2015, 11, 2016, 12, 2017, 13. So it's about a 14-year-old refrigerator. Runs good, but it needs a new fan. Top of it, yeah, got a lot of magnets on this thing. I mean, still, it just needs a repair. Let's see where the plug is over there. As you can see, yeah. Anyway, guys, I don't even like filming stuff that much. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out. Click and comment and subscribe. No, what's going on? No. Ugh, no. It's starting to do it again. It's not doing good. Come on. Come on. Stay up there. She ain't doing good now. I want to touch the freaking hot coils. She's not doing good now. Come on, sweetheart, do it. Get up there. This family is freaking toast. I really hope there's a breaker switch in there. If this thing burns out, we're so toast for sure. It's not doing good now. It's starting to slow down. Great. I gotta finish my lunch. I don't have time. It's going up to speed again. It's going up to speed. Nope, and slowing down again. Slowing down. That was going to speed, yeah. Okay, now it's at speed. Now we're getting there. Come on, girl. Come on. Okay, now it's slowing down again. Oh, now it's going. Oh, no. Oh, no, no. No. Come on. I gotta check the temperature. Bet the temperature's gone up already. It's not hot yet. That can't be good. No. What's it doing? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on. Don't make me use this. No. I wish Dad was here. I gotta admit. It's not doing good. Maybe that's why. Maybe it's every time I just open that door, it probably shuts off this fan. No, it's not doing good. It's starting to slow down. Really starting to slow down now. Now it's being back up. Then it's gonna slow down. And start to speed up again. And it's slowing down. Oh my god, you get my point. Trying to make my freaking lunch. Taking me off here. Okay, now it's starting to speed up. Man. This fan's freaking toast. Can't watch this all freaking day. Okay. The refrigerator turned off for some reason. Which is good because this is what they do when it turns off. It's currently turned off. Display's on. I'm gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what happens when the refrigerator turns on. If that thing is sealed, if that thing is seized, when the refrigerator turns on, I'm actually gonna I'll try my best to spin it, get it going again. You know, all that kind of stuff. Yep, you get my point. It's now 5:37. Refrigerator's completely quiet. Yeah, you get my point. I am waiting until this thing kicks back on. And I'm just sitting and waiting. I just finished with my lunch. I literally put things. My dad says okay if they're disorganized, it's as long as they're cooled. But yeah. Okay, it's turned on and now this fan's turned off. It is sealed. That says I should. Oh my god, I don't think I can reach out there. Come on. Stupid thing, piece of crap. Son of a. Come on. That says I should spin. I'm not gonna touch that guy. Compressor is gonna be hot, and if I touch that, I'm gonna burn myself. Oh my god, I don't even want to touch this. Ow, my foot. My foot hurts. Okay, you know what? Sounds like I'm getting a haircut or something. Yeah. Piece of crap. That's how you spin it, duh. Oh, come on, you're almost there. What the heck? How did they freaking invent this thing anyway? It's like, come on. I bet you $1,000,000 the refrigerator's hot. I'm gonna show you an example. What happens when you don't have an evaporator fan that works properly. Okay, it's not hot now. Trying to get this freaking thing working. Come on. Come on. It's already been 2 minutes since I made this video. Should I really use a WD-40 on this thing? I don't even know if I'm good at this though. That's the other fan that kicked on. There's a switch back here. Come on. I give up. I can't believe it. I give up. Is the refrigerator hot? Because of me? Yeah, it's hot. God dang it. Freaking kidding me. Well, my dad took the fan out of the refrigerator, and we actually ordered a new fan for the refrigerator. There's the fan blade there. There's the motor. When he pulled it out, it was really hot. It's not hot now, is it? Yeah, it's not hot now. A little bit filthy though. Let's see look at that fan. Holy, ugh, it's disgusting. Interesting enough, he actually, what he did, I know it's gonna sound crazy. He put a clip fan in the back of the refrigerator. So the clip fan is in the back of the refrigerator, and it actually works pretty good. It's not hot at all. It's really not hot. I mean, it's a little bit warm, but it's not too hot. But it's kind of funny, right? I mean, you also hear the fan running when the refrigerator turns off. It works pretty well. Pretty smart, genius idea. Till we get the fan fixed, until we get the fan replaced, we'll be good from there. As for this fan, it's toast. And the funniest thing is, I was thinking about it. It's almost like this fan blade could probably fit in the clip fan because of how small it is. Well, fortunately, it will probably not fit because the way the blades are bent like that. You know, it's probably not gonna fit all the way. It's pretty disgusting. But yeah, fan's toast. So we'll have to wait until we get a new fan put in there. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching this crazy video of trying to get the fan to work, but I guess not. I hope you enjoy the video. Over and out. Well, guys, we got the fan in. Look at that. Runs new. Sounds new. Got the Dad? Come on. Stop it. Anyway. Dad put that fan motor in. Look at that. It just really does run new. It's got the old blade in it. Old filthy blade. This was what was back in here temporary. Your standard Hawaiian Breeze clip fan.
All I gotta do is put
From
stuff in my own.
Oh, shut up. I just, from one thing to the other.
2006, I believe. Oh, well, then. Yep. Goodness new. Definitely gonna last another 10 to 12 years. Well, began turning hot again last night. But then my dad fixed the fan. It's literally much better. I mean, it's warm, but it's not as warm as you might think. It really is just right. Look at that. It was hot, then it was cold, and my grandma's here. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.